What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Elben. Welcome back to my new tutorial video. Guys, today in this video I'm going to talk about lighting. So I bring this video for you because I just want to show you how you can create different cinematic lighting by using only one light. So there is no need for using more light, and if you have more light it's better, but if you have also one light you can do the perfect video. So now here I'm going to show you like five method you can set up your light in order to get more cinematic look, more cinematic frame. Okay, so now let's get started by one, which is called
flat lighting. This is directly straight on me. There is no degree angles. Guys, this is the brand form of lighting which is boring. It's not used common for industry. Yeah, and if you want to use these kind of lighting, I suggest you to use diffuser. Guys, for me I use this white t-shirt, the smooth one. This is my diffuser, guys, in order to hide the high shadow in the background. You see, guys, anyway, this lighting is not dramatic, it's not cinematic, and if you sit here for a while, so it's going to get love on my eyes because I told you this lighting is straight on me. Okay, it's in the front of me. This is not cool. So now let's get on the second one, which is called Paramount lighting or butterfly. The reason why it is called the Paramount lighting, because Paramount Pictures company like to use this setup to take their company headshot. And also why it is called the butterfly, because this shadow which is under my nose, it looks like a butterfly. So this is setup is gonna be same as like flat, okay, but the only difference is to move the stand on the other side and move down the lighting in 45-degree angles. But the good law of this lighting is to create the really clean image, the beautiful skin look, and it's mostly used in shooting interviews and other kinds of video. That's nice. So, and for the third one, it is called Rembrandt lighting. You take the lighting and you move a longer way to side to 45-degree angles, and you point it down as well. This lighting is gonna get some really nice dramatic pull off and the gradation here on this side. Additionally, we are seeing more shadows here on opposite side of the key light. And when you see the lighting triangle here on this side, it means you are using the Rembrandt light. And when you see the lighting triangle here on this side, it means you are using the Rembrandt light. And this is the best dramatic, and this is the best kind of lighting, is dramatic and cinematic lighting setup where you can use it in different kind of videos. So let's get on top down setup. This top down setup, maybe you like to see this setup lighting in different kind of movies because it is super and more cinematic setup. I know it is very difficult to set this lighting because maybe you don't have the assistant, the assistant, because maybe you don't have this assistant like me. I don't have it, but shout out to my friend HP who is supporting me on this kind of lighting in this video. Yes, so you have to have that, like someone, an assistant who can guide you, who can help you just to make this scene, okay, to make this kind of lighting. Yes, so let's move on this kind of lighting. This is called cell hard. This like, hey bro, this lighting setup, it is mostly used in Hollywood movies. So the things you have to do, you set the light on the background, not on the subject, okay? So, and then not on the subject, because it looks like maybe, for example, and if you are using the spotlight lighting, it also make this kind of lighting great, okay, because the one light is pointing straight on the background. And maybe you can give it any form of you want lighting. Maybe you can give it like the square, the rectangle, the cycle, like this. Yes, you can give it any image you want, okay? But mostly when you are using the spotlight, guys, this lighting, my lighting is not spotlight, so I try to move it closer to the background. That reason why it makes the shape like the cycle. This is nice, guys. So for this last one, it is called interrogation lighting. This interrogation lighting, it is the same as the top-down setup. So the things I have, the things I did, I remove the diffuser. So you don't have to use the diffuser for this interrogation lighting, because this is hard light, must point straight on the subject, comes from up to down with the strong shadow. That's reason why they call it is interrogation. For top down setup, most people, they like to use the diffuser, they like to use softbox, yeah, something like that. But for this interrogation, you don't need to use any diffuser, any softbox. You have to use the straight lighting directly to the subject. So guys, this is the different kind of setup of lighting by using one light, guys, okay? And if you want to make a great video, so here there is some great kinds of lighting setup with one light. You don't need to have more light for making the cinematic video, the great video. So you have to be creative, as I told you. So guys, thanks for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, drop the comment down below, let me know what you think, like, comment, and leave your thumbs up. So see you in next video, and stay creative as always, guys. Peace.